Guys, welcome back again to my channel. And today ang gagawin natin is this cash register. My funny cash register. So I'm with Kisha Paula, and so here's the cash register one. And where's the key? Where did you put?
And a microphone.
And here's the key. So wait. Can you give me this one?
Okay.
And this is the product. Bigatin hotdog super jumbo. But this is not a true hotdog. At the back there is a styrofoam. So here's the product. Yeah, that one, and here's the card, and here's the money, and the coins, and so here's the basket one, and here's the trolley basket one. So let's get started. So here guys, Kisha Paula is buying now a product. So yeah. So let's wait for her.
I want this one.
This one? No, don't show. And I will show that one later on. Yeah. So here's the key. Let's open. Yeah. OMG. So, and click the open one. So here is it. The coins one. And there is a money here, but this is not a true money, remember? And let's lock it. Sorry for the noise, guys, because the children over outside is screaming. I don't know why, and they are. Wait, don't touch this one. They are playing Chinese garter one. Yes.
I think.
Yes, they are playing Chinese garter. So are you done?
Not yet.
Not yet. So you want to buy this one?
Yep.
So get. I think Kisha Paula will get all the products.
No.
No way. Why?
I heard.
OMG. So no. So so here's the product that by Kisha, and she's the one. And so wait. So let's on it. On. And so yeah.
A chicken.
And chicken one. And a milk one. Where did I put this? No. Where do I put this? Just put here. And what is this? This one? Cookies? I don't.
Cookies. Strawberry jelly help.
And the ketchup one.
Yeah.
And milk one. And wait, don't touch. Just put this over here. And a two of water. And a bigatin hot dog. So what is this? Biscuit one. So wait a minute. Wait. You touch it? You touch it?
No. Not yet.
Wait. And so for the total of 7.8, I mean 6.7, ma'am.
For
You
the
sponsor? What?
Here's Qualset.
No, sorry. For the total of 97.7, ma'am. I'm sorry. I didn't touch the equal one. So, yeah. 97.7.
I'll use my card.
Card 1. Wait.
That is on 1,000.
And, yeah. So, what's your money? Give me your money. 97. You give me 101. Do you have 100? No. How much is this? 500 minus 97.7. Yeah. So the change one is 402. So let's open the chain. I don't know what do you call this one. So get your card one. And OMG, I don't have any.
It's okay.
Oh my god.
I'll give you this.
301. 300. You don't have any.
I have it here.
So I give this one.
I don't have any.
And here's the change. Oh, sorry. And so yeah. Wait. So thanks for watching, guys. Wait, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap the bell button to be updated every I upload a new video. So don't forget to click the thumbs up and comment down below if you want to shout out the hashtag GwenSquad, and please read the description box down below. Bye!